Alright guys, just a quick getting started video in Photoshop. I'm not going to get into adding font, working with pictures. This is just simply opening Photoshop and getting started. So let's say, for example, you're interested in signing a postcard. So your first step will simply be File and then New. Now let's say we're going to do a 4x6 postcard. Notice right here you have width and height. Right now it's on pixels. You don't want pixels, right? Go ahead and switch to inches, and then the width would actually be 6 for the postcard. The height will be 4. So there we have 4x6 inches. Go ahead and click OK. So there is your layout. If you see, there's a ruler right here. So there's 0 to 6, 0 to 4. If you don't see your ruler, just go to View, and then Ruler's pretty easy. So right now we have a white background. Okay, if you don't want a white background, here's a quick way to change that. Go to your paint bucket, and then colors. You can create your own colors. Swatches are right here. So let's just say maybe a light blue background, and then click. We'll get into adding text and pictures a little bit later. So there you have a 4x6 blue background postcard, just kind of a blank canvas for you. Quick way to zoom in and out is just Alt and then mouse up and down. Okay. If you're ready to save, just like any other product, File, Save As.